we are big and we have large customers, and we we have global customers that are deploying their applications worldwide, and there are a lot of regulations that require that if an application is being deployed, it has to have full support for the local language and so on. Especially if you are dealing with government entities, they have all sorts of local requirements. And we noticed at IBM that it is not easy to get to full internationalization support using pure JavaScript. It is difficult, and therefore we saw that there was a gap there. If HTML5, at least for us, has to succeed, we have to fill this gap and help our customers with a good solution. So because of that, we started investing in Dojo and helping the open source improve the JavaScript library to get to these enterprise features that are not always the main focus for the community, but for sure are very important focus for enterprises. So IBM continues to invest in Dojo, augment Dojo with enterprise capabilities, and we try to play as a community member with the open source Dojo. We do not, it's not the idea of IBM to try to enforce or direct the open source in one direction or another. This is disrespecting the whole concept, but we play as a community member, so we contribute code to the library, and we focus on those gaps that are lacking feedback from the community. Yeah, this is one of the challenges. Usually when you first think about internationalization, it's pretty much string replacement, and you are translating your text. But if you think about Hebrew, you have to actually reverse and do the left to right and the right to left, the bidirectional support. So your application has to be able to support that. This functionality was not entirely available at Dojo, so that was one of the main requirements that we had to work on to add this functionality to the library to get there. On native development, you do get some support for that. I mean, the platform providers are focusing on that as well, but back when we started, there was not a lot of support for that. So even customers willing to go native, they were having trouble achieving this goal of full internationalization support.